Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, join me as I unbox my Dymo Label Maker. So we have here the Dymo Label 160 with a D1 labeling tape in this model. So in this box, we have the label maker, the D1 starter tape, and of course the quick guide. So for the reference of everybody, there are a lot of Dymo label makers in the market, but I personally chose the Dymo Label Manager 160 because it is compact, a handheld label maker featuring a QWERTY keyboard, which is I am very familiar with or very familiar where the letters are because I've been using a phone with a QWERTY keyboard. And then of course it is a one-touch fast formatting keys and a thermal transfer printing. So it's very cute. So it takes, or this model takes a 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch and a 1/2 inch Dymo D1 tapes. So it is a large LCD screen that lets you preview the label before printing, and it runs on a 6 AAA batteries or an optional AC adapter that you can purchase separately. But I didn't buy one because it will lose the basic feature that I want, which is a handheld label maker. But one of the feature of this one, it is auto power off, so you can save your battery, and it also has a feature which is called last label memory, so you don't have to retype like everything you want to type or to label. So let's put the tape in and we'll see. So actually it is very straightforward, the instructions on how to put the tape, the batteries and whatnot. So there you go, I put it that way, and the printing is a 2-line printing capability and with an easy to use manual cutter. There you go. Okay, so I am so excited to try this one out. And first, let's peel that off. And for the customization, so it has 6 font sizes and 8 text styles and over 200 symbols or clip art options. The buttons are actually very nice. You don't have to push it hard to press the buttons. So that is a cool feature to me. And I'm excited to label my stuff, especially that I'm moving out. So it is nice, or I think this one is a great investment for me to label my things. Welcome to the dark side. So at this time, it wasn't printing, so I had to turn it off and on again.
And then naka-underlined. Printing. Cut direct. Doing